Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, May 26th, I think. Yeah, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. Today is my weigh-in 125. I was planning on doing a live chat, but I just got home. It's like 4 o'clock, and I have not eaten anything today, and I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know, not so great, and I have a lot of work ahead of me, so I thought I would just do a one-take video, tell you where I'm at and explain what's happening this week and call it good for the weigh-in. So sorry this video isn't edited or anything. I just don't have time. So I'm just going to make this on my phone and upload it and hope that that is good for you guys. So my weigh-in today was not super awesome. I was at 191 pounds. It's my typical water weight gain week, and I have been sitting all week editing photos. My ankles are the size of elephant legs. I actually went to the amusement park last night for a few hours just so I could walk around because the sitting is just killing me. But I still have a good 16 hours of editing in front of me, so I've got to get working on that today. So I don't really have time to edit any videos today. I'm sorry about that, you guys, but that's the way it is. So, as for this week is the busiest week of the month. It's also the most fun, so I'm looking forward to it, but I'm also a little nervous about it. Tuesday, we have our dress rehearsal. Wednesday, we have our big, huge recital where all the kids plus me are performing. Thursday, my daughter is graduating from high school. 4-hour graduation to sit through there, folks. Woo! Sounds fun. Not. Friday is our dress rehearsal for our other studio, and Saturday, my kids have 2 performances for a ballet that they are in for that studio. So it's going to be a crazy ride, but I'm super excited because it is my most favorite week of the year. And even though it's the most busy, it's also the most fun. And so I'm really looking forward to that. And after that, you guys, it's going to be back to normal, back to my keto cut or something, or reset, or I don't know. And we're going to see how much of this is water and how much of this is fat and what I got to deal with. But you know what? This is how it's going to be every single year in this season of my life. And so I am just embracing everything. I'm embracing the changes. I'm embracing the up and downs. I am embracing the eating whatever I got to eat in order to get through it, and accepting that that's just what's going to happen when I'm dealing with these busy times. And I am just happy that I'm able to feel comfortable with what my choices are and not be super stressed out over gaining tons of weight, because gaining a little bit of weight every single year during May and then taking it back off is probably doable for me, and that's kind of where my head is at. So thanks so much for checking in with me, you guys. I'm definitely going to be back on my game very, very soon. I'm so glad you stuck with me during this busy time, and I hope that you're enjoying our videos over on Hide and Seek. I am trying to keep up with those as much as I can because I don't want to get too far behind on our family vlogging. So we'll talk to you all again soon. Thanks so much. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. My heart goes out to Teresa, Keto Fat Girl No More, whose husband is in the hospital. If you guys could send up a prayer for Ruben, we would really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't checked out her channel, Keto Fat Girl No More, G-U-R-L, you should definitely get over there and give them some support. All right. Thanks so much, you guys. Love you all so much, and we'll talk to you again soon.